Miracle, back with another video. If you want to see me install this beautiful lace wig and achieve these flawless curls that are turning into waves, just keep on watching.
I just made a ride on Northside Drive. Seen that little Jeep, thought I seen you from behind. Pulled up on the side, wasn't you in the window? You still on my mind, clear to see, plain and simple. Then I started thinking about the way it used to be. I was on the phone, we got call history. Fucking with each other for so long, it gets to me. I'm reminded by the signs that we just aren't meant to be. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me. We've been through it all. Late night flights and late night fights. Fucked up the mall. Ain't no price. Your love was priceless. I know I fucked up. You called me lying too many times before. Took me back, I did it more. I was convinced you was getting even and getting hit by another nigga. Yeah, I was sick. I'm a player, but I gotta admit. Yeah, you hurt me, but I know it ain't as bad as I hurt you. Say you was done, I act like I never heard you. Don't tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more. I'm in my feelings, you wanna fix it. Talking about all the time, try to play around with my mind. Yeah. Baby, it's over 'cause I'm saying it is. Out with that old shit, I ain't fight no more bitches. And I ain't taking no more. Done with that shit, yeah. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me. We went through some trials. Know it's been a while. Them niggas ain't study, I know what you bout. If they make you proud, then I'm bowing out, signing off, logging out. Bye. No more questions, no more asking why. I'm done with the makeup breakups. How you gonna take that pay cut? Had you in my favor, gotta get that minimum wage up. I can't stay low, no way, look. Won't be there when you wake up. Never tripping out the facts. Time to burn it like a pack. The life I live is the life I made. What you won't have is the love I gave. So I say, so I say, so I say. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more.
Some of our edge fixer.
Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me.
Hey guys, this is the finished look. Oh, I forgot earrings. Guys to have earrings on, but I love it. It's so soft and elegant, and it's definitely giving. I should put lashes on, but I'm not gonna put lashes on because I'm loving this natural face too. I'm just like, I'm so pretty. Love my hair. So that's all for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and go get you some of this good affordable hair. Thank you, Curlyme Hair. They are not sponsoring this video. I bought this wig with my own money, but thank you, Curlyme Hair, for this feeling of just pure beauty that I have right now. And it was so easy. That was not that much to install. So thank you, Curlyme Hair. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.